How to add your business to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add your business to Uber Eats. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com. Scroll down to the bottom to find the Add Your Restaurant option and tap on that. You will have a sign up page before you. Enter details such as address, store name, brand name, business type. You need to fill in every details asked to you. Also, enter your full name, email, and phone number and finally tap on the submit button. In the next step, you need to upload your menu. The menu must have all the required information such as the type of food, food description, hygiene information, price, and other details. Use high-resolution photos for each menu so users can easily understand the type of food you offer. Once you have uploaded your menu, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which you can personalize according to your restaurant. Once you sign up for the platform, you must wait for the approval. Typically, getting approval and a welcome kit takes around 2 days. However, if you have more stores, that is more than one, it will take more time. In case of uncertainty, you may contact the provider for details. So this is how you can add your business to Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Login Giant for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.